Hello guys, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to add payment methods in Binance. So at first open your Binance app through your Android device, and after opening this app just click on this logo, and after that here you can see the settings button. Just click on the settings button. After that, scroll down and click here on the payment methods. Now, always choose the P2P payment methods. Click here on the P2P payment methods. Here, I have not added any P2P payment methods till now, so you will have to click on Add a Payment Method. After that, here you can see there are four options available like IMPS, Paytm, UPI, Bank Transfer India. Also, here you can click all payment methods and see there are many options available. But I will choose the UPI option. Now, you will have to write down your name here and your UPI ID to the selected box, and also you will have to add a payment QR code, upload it. After adding all the informations, just click on the confirm button and there you will complete all the process. So thanks for watching this video. Give a like to this tutorial if you really found it helpful.